So my final thoughts, even if I just blow dry my hair, it's still smooth, okay? If you want to have like a smooth hair, but eventually we don't know because it's just only one application. So I'm gonna use this more often and I'm going to update you how my hair looks like. Hi guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Today is another day and today it's all about hair treatment. So guys, if you have a dry, brittle hair and damaged hair, this video is for you. By the way, my name is Kris, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. Are you ready? Let's get it on. By the way guys, I received a package yesterday. So ito na po yung mga nabili ko. Charot, isa lang yung nabili ko guys. And this is the hair treatment that we're going to review today. And I hope that this will work for my hair. Actually guys, this is the condition of my hair today. As you can see, it's very dry. Right, it's very dry and frizzy. Look. Ito yung consistency niya guys, very dry. So ito yung hair ko if I'm not going to iron my hair or blow dry my hair. This is the real hair of mine. It's so fluffy, dry, and brittle. Reason why? Because I always dye my hair. Palagi ko siyang kinukulay guys. Palagi ko siyang binablonde, sometimes black, sometimes blonde na naman. So this is the result. Alright guys, so let's open the package. Bam, 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 bam. Ow! Alright guys. So, this is what we called the PURC, or Pure Nourishing Magical Treatment, as 5 seconds to restore soft hair. 120 ml per net. So ito siya guys. Alright, so babasahin ko yung ano niya guys ha, yung instruction niya paano to gamitin, and then I'll show you later. PURC Magical Treatment. Based on the study of more than the hair situation of 10,000 consumers, developed these care products with high technology. Imported raw materials combined with fine molecular technology. 5 seconds to make your hair smooth and soft. Usage: wiping it on the hair after washing. Do not touch the scalp. Use pop constantly massage hair to help hair faster absorb nutrition. You will find the hair instantly become softer, smoother. Recommended massage hair for 2 to 5 minutes. That will get the better results. So let's try this. Okay guys, I'm back and I already wet my hair. So damp siya, okay? It's a damp hair already. So this is the product guys that we're going to try. It's called PURC Nourishing Magical Treatment. 5 seconds to restore soft hair. It's 120 ml per net. So here it is guys. Okay, so let's open this one. So when you open this one, there's another seal here. You're going to, wow. So this is the consistency of this product guys. As you can see, it's a very thick consistency. So it says here 2 to 5 minutes to apply this one and massage it. So I'm gonna put right here. Alright, let's see. Actually guys, the smell is like, it's a conditioner, a very nice smell conditioner. I don't know, I can't describe what conditioner, but it's so soft. And of course, if you try this on your hair, when you try to comb your hair like this, it's already soft, guys. Unbelievable. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I just done rinsing my hair. And yeah, my hands is still wet. Okay, I'm done rinsing it. Okay. So ito na po siya guys. So we're going to use a blower para madali siya or mabilis siya mag-dry up, okay? So I'm gonna use this Remington blower. Okay, let's see. Hi guys, so I'm back. Tapos ko lang nag-blow dry guys. And ito yung resulta niya guys. As you can see. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Actually, in my impression, my first impression, if we're going to touch my hair, it's a little bit softer than before. Though before it looks like healthier, but it's smooth. Look at that. Alright, so yun lang guys. Ito po yung final thoughts ko. I'm going to use this one more often, maybe twice a week. And let's see what's gonna happen. I'm going to update you guys. But for me, I really like it. I really like it. Because, naging makapal yung hair ko. My hair is so thick right now. And I like it. It's so soft. But let's see if I'm going to iron my hair. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, hi guys. So this is my final thoughts. So this is how it looks like kung ipa-plancha ko yung hair ko or if I'm going to iron my hair. So this is how it looks like. It's still smooth, and yeah, I like it. Alright, so my final thoughts, even if I just blow dry my hair, it's still smooth, okay? If you want to have like a smooth hair, but eventually we don't know because it's just only one application. So I'm gonna use this more often, and I'm going to update you how my hair looks like, or what's the condition of my hair. Yun lang guys in today's video. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang video na to. Sana may natutunan kayo, or sana if you want to purchase this one, go to Amazon, and yeah, I'll put the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can see you again on my next one. Bye! Bye!